In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify InstaForex account. Now, the first thing you have to do here when you are inside your dashboard, your client area, you want to go to the left-hand side here and you want to search for verification. Click on that to actually expand and click on the verify account. Once you do that, it's going to open up a separate tab. I just basically scroll down a bit so you can't see my personal info, but at the top, there's going to be a personal info. And the first thing you have to do is actually complete your profile and put in the details that you actually haven't done yet. Okay, so this may be like a phone number, your address, stuff like that. And then whenever you do that, you want to go to the second part here where it says identity verification, and then click on that. And whenever you actually have your personal information filled out completely, you'll be able to go ahead and do a identity verification as well. And then after this, you'll also be able to do the verification of residence address. Okay, so whenever you do all this, then you'll be able to basically get your account verified. However, it does say over here that in some cases the verification can take up to 72 working hours, okay, which is equivalent to 3 days. So make sure you are actually patient and wait for your account to be verified, and then you are good to go. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.